Hello and welcome back, Honey Bunnies, to an all-new episode of Bollybuzz. Got to warn you, this Monday's got B-Town stars feeling all the blues, from Rhea Chakraborty being grilled by the CBI, to Kangana Ranaut losing Twitter followers, to Akshay Kumar drinking elephant poop tea. Wait till we tell you all that's been going around in B-Town. While we all while away our weekend, Rhea and her brother Shoaib were in for an extra long interrogation session with the CBI. The central agency turned up the heat as they cross-questioned the siblings about their role in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. While today marked Rhea's fourth day with the big guns, it was Shoaib's fifth. Rumors are also abuzz that Rhea may just be cross-examined along with Sushant's sister Mitu Singh in a face-to-face questioning round to verify facts. Meanwhile, Taapsee Pannu and Hina Khan shared their take on the frenzy around the case, while Taapsee pointed out how wrong it is to overtake judiciary to convict someone who isn't proven guilty. Hina expressed concern that people might damage Rhea's career forever with their wild accusations. On the fickle virtual world of social media, Kangana Ranaut seems to be having trouble holding on to her followers. The actress complained that she's been losing around 40 to 50k Twitter followers per day. I'm very new to this place, but how does this work? Why are they doing this? Any idea? She asked. A technical glitch, or does it have anything to do with some viral trends of late? One of which saw her picture with Sandeep Singh resurfacing on the internet? Now moving on to some happier buzzworthy news, Salman Khan is proving to be a man of his word as he has lent his help in the construction of 70 houses in the flood-hit Khidrapur village of Kolhapur. Salman, who had promised to help several villages that were struck by flash floods and excessive rains, kept to his promise and initiated the construction of houses in the western region of the state of Maharashtra. Talk about knights in shining armor. And finally, this latest deed is going to be hard to swallow because it involved Akshay Kumar sipping on elephant poop tea. The star show got on his survival instincts as he took a trip into the wild with Bear Grylls. Sharing about his wild experience, he said, "I knew there would be stiff challenges prior to hashtag Into the Wild with Bear Grylls, but he completely surprised me with the elephant poop tea. What a day." That's all we can stomach today, so bye for now, but we'll be back tomorrow, same time and same place.